Hey everybody, I'm Mike with El Yucateco, and today I'm going to show you how to do some smoked ribs with a beautiful maple habanero glaze. And we're going to do it right now. Okay, it's time to do this cook. Now you can see I've got a beautiful rack of baby back ribs here. All I did to prepare these was to remove the membrane from the back and then evenly coat this with salt, pepper, garlic, and paprika for some color. I like to do those individually instead of mixing them together so I can get the perfect amount of each on these ribs. Now that these ribs are prepared, it's time to get these out on the cooker. We're going to be running these on a pellet cooker today at about 275 degrees. This cook should take roughly 4 hours. Every set of ribs is a little different, but 4 hours is a pretty good window to get these done. So now that we've got these out on the cooker, it's time to prepare our glaze. We're going to start with some maple syrup, some brown sugar, apple cider vinegar, some ketchup, butter, and now my favorite ingredient, the El Yucateco Red. Don't worry, all the exact amounts will be in the video description. Now you just want to cook this down on a low heat for anywhere from 15 to 30 minutes to allow all these things to melt and all these flavors to come together. Alright, it's been about 3.5 hours. These ribs look absolutely perfect. We've got about another 20 to 30 minutes for these to finish cooking, so it's the perfect time to put our glaze on. Now we let our glaze cool and thicken up. Now it's perfect time to apply it. That glaze smells so beautiful. Now we're going to let these go about another 20 to 30 minutes. The next time you see me, we'll be back inside, ready to cut these open and give them a try. These are now off the cooker. They smell beautiful. I've let them rest for about 10 minutes, and I gave them about 30-35 minutes after I glazed. Now before I cut these open, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel please, show your support, and make sure to hit that bell to get notifications anytime we release new content. Now let's go ahead and cut these open. These are beautiful. They've got a beautiful bark on the outside. I can smell this glaze, I can smell the smoke. Let's give this a try. Absolutely delicious. So we get some nice sweetness from that maple syrup and the brown sugar. The nice kick from the El Yucateco Red, I mean, it's very much there, you can taste it. But the butter, which I added to this glaze, really smooths off the edge of everything. So this is absolutely perfect. It's a winner. I hope you'll give it a try at home. So that's it for this video. I hope to see you guys on the next one. Take care, and don't forget to enjoy your El Yucateco until I see you next time.